Okay. So kind of being from the Star family, உங்களோட grandpa. So அவரோட வீடியோஸ்லாம் இன்னும் கூட people recreate it, share it, and
Correct.
there's so much craze இல்லையா? So what
Yeah.
is like growing up in such a family? உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது அதனால டிஃப்ரெண்டா உங்களை ஏதாவது ட்ரீட் பண்ணாங்களா? Especially when you enter the film industry and all.
Uh, uh, Maybe I was privileged ஏன்னா தாத்தா பேர்னால the approach towards me was with a lot of respect. So that one thing was there, but otherwise also I feel today's இது வந்து so reformed that everyone in every field is treated with respect இல்லைங்களா by everyone. So that is one thing, but otherwise நான் எங்க தாத்தாவை பார்த்ததே கிடையாது. I was just about 2-3 months baby when he passed away. So I've not seen him in person, but a lot of his movies and Tata and all is like a legend. Like wherever I go, they'll be like, "Oh, Tengai Srinivas na unga peti, Tengai Srinivas na unga peti." Actually, I don't like to what do you say, receive any kind of an extra attention or privilege saying that Tengai Srinivas na peti when people don't recognize me. நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்னோட best friends, okay, என்னோட best friends from school, என்னோட best friends from college are most of the people who didn't recognize me first. So they like in a நல்ல what do you say, in a normal friend மாதிரி ட்ரீட் பண்ணி நானும் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். ஓகே, ஸோ நார்மலா ட்ரீட் பண்றவங்க தான் ஆக்சுவலி இன்னைக்கு வந்து என்னோட அவ்வளோ க்ளோஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸா இருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி தான். ஸோ ஐ டோன்ட் லைக் தட் வாட் யூ சே, that extra importance. So I don't enjoy that factor, but otherwise I'm very proud because he's a legend and in no way any of us could match him. So that is his glory. That
Yeah,
way I'm
definitely
proud
I
of him.
understand. Yeah, no matter how proud we are a family member, like we like to get recognized for who we are, like, you know.
Yeah, correct. And anywhere I just don't like that extra importance or that I just like to be treated as one amongst everyone. Why that importance? I get very embarrassed with that importance, you know. So maybe that's one of the reasons that Tirupio limelight I never want to come back. Some people enjoy limelight, like la, but I don't know. I don't enjoy limelight. I'm very happy in the crowd.
But technically, you're still in the limelight. You're also in the crowd, so.
Maybe.
Alright. So, உங்களோட பிரதரோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க. ஸோ நீங்க சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க இல்லையா, லைக் யுவர் பிரதர் யூஸ் டு வாட்ச் திங்ஸ் அண்ட் யூ நோ அந்த ஃபைட் எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. என் பிரதருமே அப்படிதான்.
My brother and me always fight. Even if someone watches us today, a lot of people will say, என்ன இவங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் வயசாச்சா இல்ல இன்னும் இந்த லூசு பசங்க மாதிரி பிஹேவ் பண்றாங்கன்னு. We always fight, okay, but our fights are very and the serious fights எல்லாம் கிடையாது. ஓகேங்களா, இட்ஸ் a very immature fight. அந்த மாதிரி தான். Seriously, if you see back of our mind, I really like him, he really likes me, but he has that respect for me, but அவன் அதை காமிச்சிக்க மாட்டான். நானும் எனக்கும் அவனை ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்குல்ல, நான் காமிச்சிக்க மாட்டேன். So it is like that, but we fight like எப்படின்னா சின்ன சின்ன விஷயத்துக்கு we fight. இப்போ நான் வந்து எங்க அம்மா அப்பாக்கு நடுவுல உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கேன்னா, இல்ல அவன் நடுவுல ஏதா தற்சமையில உட்கார்ந்துட்டானா I'll fight. அந்த மாதிரி very bad behavior.
சின்னப்பா வந்துட்டு பயங்கரமா உருண்டு பரண்டு எல்லாம் ஃபைட் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா, பட் வளர வளர does it change?
ஆமா, ஃபுல் பீட்டிங் ஹிட்டிங் அப்படிதான் இருக்கும். லைக் எப்படின்னா ஆதித்யா வந்து he watches lot of WWF, ஓகே. நான் அதெல்லாம் பார்க்கவே மாட்டேன். எனக்கு வந்து நல்ல வாயில போட்டு அவனை சீண்டி விட்டுக்கிட்டே இருப்பேன். அவன் போட்டு பஞ்ச் கொடுப்பான். அப்புறம் கரெக்டா எங்க அப்பா வரும்போது கத்தி அழுது சத்தமா அழுது ஆதித்யா மாட்டி விட்டுருவேன். அப்ப அப்பா வந்தோடனே என்ன நடந்ததுன்னு கூட கேட்க மாட்டாரு. நானு கத்துன உடனே வந்து அவனை நல்லா திட்டி விட்டுருவாரு. ஆனா நம்மளும் நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பேன்.
Beautiful, nice to hear. எங்க வீட்லயும் லைக் சின்னப்பா அப்படி இருந்துச்சு, பட் now things are different since we are in different countries. அந்த இது மெயின்டைன் ஆகுதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Okay. So அடுத்து like சூர்யா உங்களோடலாம் நடிச்சிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? So that time uh, you are like so young and first time maybe you're meeting him. So எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? How was the whole experience?
I was very excited that it was Surya because one, he looks very handsome. So I was like, 10th standard, no, appo. I was like, "Pa, he looks so nice, he looks so nice." Abdina, but he's such a gem. He knew I was a kid and he treated me exactly like a kid. Like when I would get tensed in the sets and எனக்கு வந்து அந்த செட்டில் வந்து எல்லாரும் கேமரா எல்லாரும் they will be all ready, okay. அப்போ வந்து when I'm not able to perform all that well, or I'm going more than or 2 takes க்கு மேல போனேனா, I'll get very tensed and I'll start crying, almost I'll get teary. அப்போ நான் he's like, that's okay. Even for me also at times it's like this, பரவாயில்ல, and he'll just calm you down. And சில டைம் வந்து நமக்காக பொசிஷன் பாப்பாரு. So that there was no air, that there was no nothing like she's new, I'm established, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு attitude கிடையாது. And he knew, like every time he would see me on the shooting spot, he would say, இன்னைக்கு ஸ்கூல் போனீங்களா, how was school today? So that is how he would talk. He knew I was a kid and he really treated me like a gentleman, I would say.
Nice to hear. So செல்லமே செல்லம் இந்த சாங் வந்து இன்னைய வரைக்கும் நிறைய பேர் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க இல்லையா? And it was Shreya Ghoshal's first song and now அவங்க வந்துட்டு she is like everywhere. So அந்த song shoot and அந்த experienceலாம் பத்தி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க.
செல்லமே செல்லம் song is a very nice, it was a super duper hit only because of the song. Not because of me. Okay, like it was a singer, it was Karthik Raja's music and all of that took off really well. But I was so terrible. Maybe if it was someone else, the song would have been a super duper hit. Okay, so Karthik Raja, the music director, could have used it on someone else instead of wasting it on me. So I feel that way now. So shooting up and all, it was my second movie, so I was konja comfortable than the previous movie. But shooting, acting, that makeup and all of that is not my forte. It is just not me. Like I was just okay, sign panno and the mari or attitude started coming in. But only if I feel that whatever you're passionate towards, like இது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும், அதனால நான் பண்ணணும்னு நான் நினைச்சா நான் அது வந்து டோட்டலா எஃபர்ட் எடுத்து சூப்பரா பண்ணுவேன். Okay, not only me, I feel if it is anyone also, இப்போ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச விஷயம் நீங்க பண்ணீங்கன்னா you do really well. நீங்க அதுக்கு எஃபர்ட்டே போட வேணாம், எஃபர்ட்லெஸ்ஸா சூப்பரா பண்ணுவீங்க. So I feel அந்த மாதிரி தான் பண்ணணும். Any job, anything that you do, உங்களுக்கு அது ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச விஷயம் மட்டும் பண்ணுங்க, அப்போ நீங்களே எங்கேயோ போயிடுவீங்க.
அண்ட் ஒரு விஷயம் பிடிக்கலனாலுமே அதை பத்தி ரொம்ப தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம்னா அப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் மேபி பிடிக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாம்.
ஆமா, பிடிக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். பட் என்னன்னா, I love to watch movies da. Okay, me and my husband love movies. Every Saturday, Sunday, we used to be in Satyam Theatre with butter popcorn, cold coffee. Okay, போட்டு சப்பளம் கொட்டிட்டு இந்த சைட் ஸ்நாக்ஸ் வச்சுட்டு இந்த சைட் கோல்ட் காஃபி வச்சுட்டு every movie we'll watch only in the theatre. Okay, அந்த மாதிரி we are, அந்த மாதிரி thing. But I like to watch, I don't like to perform. Or rather, I don't like to சொல்றதை விட I don't know to னு சொல்லுவேன். Okay, maybe I'm not good at it. That is not my interest, that is not my strength னு சொல்லுவேன்.
Yeah, and that was something you didn't know until you started doing it, right?
Yeah, that is something
So
I didn't know.
husband,
I started with this excitement, you know, that it is 16 years out the heroine role, அதுவும் சூர்யாவா அப்படின்னா அந்த ஒரு எக்ஸைட்மெண்டோட I went in. Then later on I knew, okay, fine, maybe this is not my forte. See, it's like so much of an effort to act, தெரியல, it just didn't interest me, that process.
what was the hardest point for you, memorizing the dialogues or just bringing the expression? எது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா?
At that point in time for me, the hardest thing was carrying that load of makeup on my face and acting with that was the hardest thing. You won't believe maybe அது வந்து என்னோட உள் மனசுல ஆழமா பதிஞ்சதோ என்னமோ. The motto of Happy Herbs itself, நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்னோட பிசினஸ், என்னோட அந்த பிராண்டோட மோட்டோவே is skincare wherein people can just step out of the house without any makeup and flaunt their skin. So that's my goal, you know, wherein people even தூங்கி எழுந்துச்சு ஒரு கொண்டை போட்டு சும்மா எங்கேயா வெளியே போனாங்கன்னா கூட அவங்க பாக்குறதுக்கு நல்லா ரேடியண்டா ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கணும். So that's our goal, that's our motto. They should enjoy themselves in their own skin, you understand? So maybe that time I didn't know all of that, and with that kind of a makeup to cry, and then it'll all melt, and then go do back touch up, and then come
So actingல எவ்வளோ பியூட்டி ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ஸ்க்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொடுக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க? Do you think we should be like more natural ourselves in the camera?
I feel acting naleda, you need to take a lot of interest in yourself, in toning yourself. ஏன்னா that is your profession. Okay, இப்போ நீங்க வந்து வேற ஒரு ஜாப்க்கு போனீங்கன்னா you take interest towards what you're doing in that particular job. Correct, but when it comes to acting, it's a glamorous world. There are millions of people out there who are seeing you, who are admiring you, who want to follow you. And the mari, there are so many people for all the top-notch heroines these days. Heroes or heroines, okay? So they look at them as a role model. So and the mari, when you are totally out there, when millions of people are watching you, you have to be at your best. Be it your looks, be it your hair, be it your clothes, be it your shoes, be it your nails, be it anything, அந்த அட்மோஸ்ட் கேர் எடுத்துக்கணும். ஏன்னா அதுதான் உங்களோட ப்ரொஃபஷன் நீங்க சூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க இல்லைங்களா? அண்ட் அதை பார்த்து இத்தனை பேர் வந்து உங்களை அட்மயர் பண்றாங்க, உங்களை ஒரு ரோல் மாடல் மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கிறாங்கன்னா அதுக்கு உண்டான எல்லா எஃபர்ட்ஸும் நம்ம போடணும். ஸோ இட்ஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபார் எனி ஆக்டர் ஆர் அன் ஆக்ட்ரஸ் டு பி extremely to take good care of themselves, their appearance, their looks and all of that.
Okay. So நீங்க நலதமயந்தில நடிச்சிருந்தீங்க இல்லையா with Madhavan and Kamal Haasan. How was the whole experience with both of them and the whole set and the acting and everything?
நலதமயந்தி நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா நலதமயந்தி was more of a guest role தான் நான் பண்ணேன். ஓகேங்களா? It was just a guest role, guest appearance. And but Madhavan was such a gem. I had just one song and 3-4 days of shoot avladhan, but he was such a gem, so grounded, so enna solradhu, like you'll be like, pa Madhavan, no, I want to go and speak to him. Before you even think of that, he'll come and he'll speak to you. Okay, and he'll make you feel so good, ama. And if your mother is sitting next to you, or if your friend or your cousins or whoever's come for the shooting is sitting next to you, he'll talk to all of them. Okay, he's such a nice person, so grounded, so spontaneous, so natural, and a very nice person.
Okay. And Virumandila also you were supposed to act இல்லையா?
Virumandi. You're not giving me that information. I don't know.
Okay. So ஜீவா உங்களோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு ஆக்ட் பண்றது?
ஜீவா இஸ் லைக் தட் வெரி எப்படி சொல்றது, he's a totally fun cool character wherein he is not that serious person. I just did one movie and he's not serious. He makes sure that serious as in he's not that very serious na vanditha and mari kadiyadu. He's that very fun, very happy, very natural. Even if you see, when I see him on screen acting, no, in many other movies, I see himself like he's that chilled out, very cool, very nice person. So that naturally comes, it reflects in his acting. Okay, so he it's not like that heroine and the mariella, like this is his role and he's very chilled out and he's very happy and he does it with ease, and it's like that. And even people around him also, he's like, hey, hi, and you know, he makes you feel comfortable. It's like that.
Okay, yeah, I agree. So உங்களோட மேரேஜ் பத்தி சொல்லுங்க. It's also an interesting story, இல்லையா? How did you meet him? How things started?
My marriage. Yeah, so Arjun, but no one followed this wrong advice. I was just maybe lucky, avalana, but advice is a wrong advice. Okay, like don't take this story up too seriously, because Nano Arjuna we met each other on Facebook. so so don't take it up as either. Adla vanda Arjun kept sending me repeated requests. I kept rejecting, but Arjun has a very nice knack of typing out or talking to people or making people talk to him. Okay, so அது எப்படியோ நம்ம வேணா அவாய்ட் பண்ணா கூட ரொம்ப அழகா பேச மாட்டான் நம்மள. he'll intrude us to talk back. So every time நான் அவனோட request reject பண்ணும்போது ஒரு reply ஓட தான் reject பண்ணுவேன். So I didn't know that I was replying to so many messages of his. Okay, so Abray, then we just met and I was just lucky that he was a gem of a person. Actually we didn't like date for a long time, அப்படியெல்லாம் கிடையாது. We just met in Jan, and next Jan we were married. So it was a very kutti span da, but so more like an, even before we got to know each other, more like an arranged marriage na solven. But I grew up to liking Arjun only after wedding. Like slow, like I liked him. He proposed to me. There was no flaw. He was a nice person, and I agreed. But then Kalyana aanadhukku apparama da, in every situation when I see his reaction to a situation, when I see him taking care of me and the way he takes care of my son Arav, I don't know, I've just grown up to liking him multiple folds. Like every year my liking towards Arjun is only increasing, my respect towards him is only increasing. Like the more I'm knowing him as a person, I'm just feeling வெளியில இருந்து பார்க்கும்போது மேபி நிறைய பேர் சொல்லுவாங்க that they tell him மச்சான் லக்கிடா உனக்கு அப்படின்னு, லைக் யூ நோ டு ஹவ் மேரிட் மீ. பட் ஒரிஜினலா எங்களை தெரிஞ்சவங்க எங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாரும் சொல்லுவாங்க நீ தாண்டி லக்கி டு கெட் ஹிம் அப்படின்னு. So it's like that.
So நீங்க Facebookல பார்த்து you kind of initiatedல, so எப்படி parents கிட்ட how did you convey it?
Initiated, I didn't initiate.
Well, both of you initiated through Facebook. Okay, relationship initiated through Facebook. So how did you guys take it to your family? How was the reaction?
Better. Then he asked me for my number, and then I told him no, I can't give you my phone number now. So we just continued to chat on the messenger, and then adukapramma slowly I gave him my number. I gave that confidence in him. Then a couple of times we met out, but when we met I made sure I took my friend along with me, so I didn't meet him alone for like 6-7 times initially. And then I told my parents at home, and then he told his parents at home. Then we started meeting out separately alone, and then immediately our engagement was fixed, and then immediately our wedding was fixed. It was all they gada nache.
So it just was a random, he just added you, and at some point he approached you on Facebook, and you guys started chatting.
Actually one of his juniors in college happened to meet me in a get together. So she posted a few pictures, I guess, and he asked who's this person in your picture, and so my junior happened to tell, his junior happened to tell him that she's a very nice girl, I met her in the get together, and such a nice person and all of that, but don't even try her, she's not even going to accept your request. So this guy, when you say no to Arjun, he'll do that. Okay, no sonna edha no sonnala adha seivan. So yeah, so he sent me requests after requests, nadu reject, but he'll type out very well. Okay, indha mari you are beautiful idu appadiyalla type panna maatan, but he'll type out in such a way that you'll want to answer back. So every time I reject, thiruppiyo one request will come with one message, adukku na thiruppiyo reply panni thiruppiyo reject. So this was happening. So he was like, you're replying to all my messages, might as well accept and reply. No, it'll come at least convenient, like one chat by reject, reply.
So உங்க family கிட்ட இத பத்தி சொல்றப்ப they were like How was the reaction?
When I told my mom about this, my mom actually guess பண்ணிட்டாங்க, okay, because I have a lot of friends. நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்னோட எல்லா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் I introduced to my mom. There is no friend of mine. எங்க அம்மாக்கு தெரியாத ஃப்ரெண்ட் எனக்கு கிடையாது. அதே மாதிரி கல்யாணத்துக்கு அப்புறம் அர்ஜுனுக்கு தெரியாத ஃப்ரெண்ட் எனக்கு கிடையாது. Okay, so it was always my thing that any of my friends should be known by my parents. After wedding, should be known by my husband, whether it is a male or a female. So that was very standard in my mind. So Amma knew all my friends, male friends and female friends. And all my male friends have even come home. எங்க வீட்டுக்குள்ள கூட வந்திருக்காங்க. So she knows my behavior. நான்லாம் சும்மா கொண்டைய போட்டுட்டு ரப்பர் செப்பல் போட்டு என்ன தம்பின்னு தான் கூப்பிடுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருப்பேன். பட் அர்ஜுன், என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டோட அர்ஜுனை பார்க்க போகும்போது மட்டும் நல்லா ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிப்பேன், ஹேர் ப்ளோ ட்ரை பண்ணிப்பேன், அப்படியே ப்ரிப்பேர். ஸோ அம்மாக்கு அப்பவே டவுட். அண்ட் அம்மா இஸ் வெரி ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட். ஸோ அம்மா எல்லாம் பேச மாட்டாங்க, அடிதான். Okay, so I was very scared. So அதனால அம்மாவே கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஏற்கனவே டவுட் வந்துருச்சு, நம்மளே சொல்லிடலாம்னு சொல்லி தான் I told. And there was nothing wrong to tell about Arjun. He's a very nice person, extremely good person, and very nice family. My in-laws are gems, total gems, both my mother-in-law and father-in-law. And அதனால my parents didn't have anything to object.
Good for all of you.
ஆமா.
So உங்க கிராண்ட்பா பத்தி உங்க ஃபேமிலி என்னெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு லைக் நார்மல் பப்ளிக்கு தெரியாத சில இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான விஷயம் ஏதாவது சொல்லியிருக்காங்களோ?
My grandfather பத்தி நானே ஸ்டோரிஸ் தான் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். I told you, no, I've never seen him, so I don't know any incident as such, but நிறைய ஸ்டோரிஸ் எங்க அப்பா சொல்லுவாரு. Like you know the way he எல்லாமே ஒரு காமெடியா தான் he will, அவரோட நேச்சுரல் செல்ஃபே அப்படியே ரொம்ப நக்கலா காமெடியா தான் பேசுவாராம். அவர் இட் சீம்ஸ் எங்க அப்பா சொன்னாரு ஒரு இன்சிடென்ட். அவர் வந்து ஒரு ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்க்கு போவாராம். போயிட்டு he called the waiter and he'll ask, அப்பா அவங்க ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்ல நல்ல சூடா மசால் வடை குட்டு பாப்பா அப்படின்னு வரான். அப்பா தாத்தா லவ்ஸ் மசால் வடை. சோ அவர் வந்து ஓகே சார், அப்புறம் இங்க வா தம்பி, நீங்க வந்து நல்ல சூப்பரா டால்டா தானே யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க அப்படின்னு இருக்கலாம். அவங்க வந்து ஆமா சார், அதுதான் வேண்டாம், நான் காசு கொடுக்குறேன், நெய் வாங்கிட்டு வா, அதை போடுப்பா தம்பி அப்படின்னு வரான். சோ எல்லாமே his natural self of talking and all itself is, you know, very entertaining it seems. And very நிறைய stories அப்பா has told.
Okay, I think that kind of carried to you as well. And it's great நீங்க அதை throughout maintain பண்றீங்க.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. So yeah, இந்த questionsலாம் உங்களை ஆல்ரெடி நிறைய வாட்டி கேட்டிருப்பாங்க, நீங்களும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. But still you are answering with so much energy and joy. It's just like refreshing to always watch you.
Me, you know, sometimes they'll be like, she's answering the same things. I'll be like, same life, same husband, same profession, same answers தானே வரும். மேபி ஒரு 2 3 4 5 ஹஸ்பண்ட்ஸ் இருந்தா ஒரு 3 4 5 லவ் ஸ்டோரிஸ் தான் சொல்லலாம்.
The thing is, even though the story is same, you always have the excitement. Plus, சில பேருக்கு like சொல்றதே like you get bored, but you have the enthusiasm to say it like as though it's the first time you're sharing.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that was nice.
I really talk. I enjoy talking. I'm a very social person. So anytime, any point you ask me, with full, my friends call me drama queen. Hey, drama. With full drama, I'll tell you.
So was there any time நீங்க வந்து அந்த full enthusiasm இருக்கிறப்ப like there was sometime you were pulled and you are like you kind of stepped back and then you learned through it, then you came back?
There are even times when like my low times, when I feel low, when I cry or when I've had a fight, just like any normal human being, okay? And when I feel also, when I narrate the story to my friends with full energy, I'll say இப்படி அழுது அப்படி ஆச்சு. They'll be like, oh God, Shrutika.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's such a bliss to talk to you. I think we are almost endக்கு வந்துட்டோம். It's not even like ஒரு interview மாதிரி இல்ல, ஜாலியா ஒரு friend கூட பேசுற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு. Thank you for, you know.
Thank you so much, Da. I didn't get your name.
Veena.
Veena. Thank you, Veena. I enjoyed so much talking to you.
It's so much fun. It's like, என்ன சொல்றது, like I moved here when I was pretty young, so நான் like I really miss like studying with Indian girls ஓட, and it's more like ஒரு college friend பார்த்து பேசுற மாதிரி இருக்கு, even though I didn't have that experience. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு, ஒரு school friend அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. It's so
Thank you,
it's so
Veena.
blissful.
Thank you so much. You let me know when you come to India. We'll catch up for sure.
100%. Thank you so much. நீங்களும் like I don't know if you'll come to US, but if you come, definitely வாங்க. And உங்க
100%.
products, are you selling it
Last year
in
we were
US?
Last to last year, yeah. Year before last, just before all this lockdown, corona thingy happened. And the year ku munadi year, we were in New York. And we really liked the place. Me, my husband, my son, we really had fun. It was nice.
Nice. So yeah, I'm in California again, and நீங்க எங்க வந்தாலும் I'll also come fly and meet you US க்கு வந்தீங்கன்னா.
Oh yeah, super. Done. Done.
Thank you. So உங்க products நீங்க US க்கு, are you also sending it to US?
You won't believe, Veena, our products initially was only Chennai. Okay, I didn't start off with only 2 products. Like, word of mouth increased so much that people from different states, like up north, everywhere, they start Kerala, Hyderabad, Delhi, so many clients, okay, started picking up. So we went pan-India. Adukapprama, again through word of mouth, a lot of people from Malaysia, US and from Singapore started asking for our products, and then we just started, slowly couriering, or if their parents or someone who would travel from here used to take it to them, they used to later on message me, Shru, I really like your products, how do I repurchase it? So then slowly I thought we should go across boundaries, and slowly we got our export license. We have an IE code, and now I have people ordering from, I have not heard of a lot of, I'm not all that knowledgeable, but geographically, but I've not heard of certain countries, and we have people ordering from so many places across, we have people from Egypt, we have people from Poland, we have people from US, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and Dubai. Singapore is like, always we have like a good number of clients, but other than that, from Abu Dhabi, Muscat, Poland, so many places, so every time I'll be like, 1 second, this is not on my list as yet, let me check the courier charges and come back to you. So much of good response, and I'm so happy that our products are being accepted by different skin types who are exposed to different climatic conditions, and they don't mind paying that courier charge. So they're like, it's okay, I'll pay and I'll repurchase. So adanala we are looking at more expansions of, having our bringing out Happy Herbs in different countries, so that people can purchase without courier charges, and bringing out Happy Herbs international on the website, so that the courier charges are a little more revised and a little more workable. So these are our immediate things of expansion, only because of the response that is coming in, and people are paying that cash and getting the products despite the courier charges. So now all these countries, I'm learning these countries' names only after sending it to them.
Beautiful. உங்க products மூலியமா you're making people externally beautiful, and by talking you're giving the beautiful vibes internally to everyone.
Actually, they are already beautiful, and I feel they are just beautifying the person in me by giving me so much of joy and motivation. So it's ulta, reverse.
Yeah, it's like expanding, right? You give more, you get more also in the definitely. So yeah, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Veena.
Hi, we have been learning Carnatic music with the renowned Unnikrishnan Sir through EduRaga.
Unni Sir's patience and sincerity, as well as his adaptability to the level and needs of the student, truly make his lessons unique.
We especially admire his attention to detail and emphasis on the subtle nuances of Carnatic music.
Overall, Unni Sir's top-notch guidance has truly helped us grow as singers.
We would like to thank EduRaga for giving us this opportunity to learn with Unni Sir.
I am Sunita and I am learning light music through Manu sir past 2 years. When I joined Ejuraga, my pitch was so low, and from mentoring Manu sir, it improved a lot. And I would like to thank Manu sir and Ejuraga for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, this is Dinesh Babu. I'm very happy to meet you through this video. I would like to share with you that I've been using Eduraga platform for the past year and a half. I'm the student of legendary playback singer Manu. Manu sir have helped me to understand the music in me and the nuances of singing a song with dynamics and feel to produce a playback singing quality. This has helped me to step up to the next level. I would highly recommend you to sign up Eduraga platform if you would like to take up your singing to the next level. Thank you.
Aura Natural Pads are complete herbal sanitary pads. These are made up of natural fibers only, and these are chemical free and plastic free. These are the first sanitary pads to receive the USDA BioPreferred certification. It is available only in the US region. So if you want to buy this product, you can visit online stores like Amazon or Walmart, or you can also visit their website www.aurapads.com.
மக்கள் இசை கலைஞர்கள் செந்தில் கணேஷ்,
ராஜலட்சுமி,
இஷிதா மீடியா யூடியூப் சேனலை
லைக் பண்ணுங்க,
ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க,
கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க,
மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க,
பக்கத்துல இருக்க பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணிருங்க.
நன்றி.